Good morning, everybody. We're back in the woods and we're gonna do a day hike today. We're doing Junction Falls day hike. Right here, there's just a sign kind of the beginning of it, Junction Creek Log Drive. It tells you about the lumberjacks and stuff that used to use the river to move the logs down towards Turn Valley and so forth. But let's go see what this has to offer and have some fun. Alright, so right from the parking lot, you literally walk down the hill, then you have river crossing here. This is Sheep River. It's mid-August right now, so it's not too deep. It's almost up to your knees. But if you do come earlier in the spring or anything like that, always be prepared for deeper water crossings. Besides that, we're gonna continue on. Alright, and this is the view from the top of the waterfall. Alright guys, here we are. We're actually on top of the waterfall right now. We hiked up, just get away from a couple people who are down below, just so we could relax in some quietness. Some interesting facts about this trail. It's moderately easy. Very easy, very minimal elevation gains, anything like that. The path is nice and smooth. If it's wet out though, guaranteed it's gonna be a little muddy. I can see where the mud would build up. The equestrians use this trail a lot. That's a fancy word for horse people. But people on horses come out here as well. It's a great day hike. I highly suggest you guys try it out. Kills, give yourself 5 hours or so to do it. It's about 7 kilometers in, 7 kilometers out. Yeah, so we'll continue on and see what else we can find. Alright, so we're just walking back down from the falls. We're about 2 kilometers away from the parking lot. We have the river crossing right at the end, or right at the beginning, however you want to look at it. But yeah, very busy path, but it's well worth it, and at the end of it, it has a great view.